Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to learn English using ChatGPT. First, open ChatGPT and tell it to be your personal English tutor. You can then ask it to explain complex grammar rules or define new vocabulary words in simple terms. Try practicing conversational English by role-playing different scenarios, like ordering food or asking for directions. This interactive approach makes learning engaging and effective for daily use. To enhance your learning, submit your written English, like emails or essays, for immediate correction and constructive feedback. ChatGPT can highlight errors and suggest improvements, helping you refine your writing skills. You can also ask it to generate example sentences using new vocabulary words you're trying to learn. Furthermore, engage in debates or discussions on diverse topics to improve your spoken English and critical thinking. Customize your learning experience by telling ChatGPT your current English proficiency level, from beginner to advanced. This ensures the content is always appropriate and challenging. If you're struggling, don't hesitate to ask for explanations in your native language to clarify concepts. You can also focus on specific areas, such as business English, common idioms, or even preparing for a specific exam, making your study highly targeted. To truly maximize your progress, commit to daily practice, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Consistency is key to language acquisition. Regularly review your past conversations with ChatGPT to reinforce what you've learned and track your improvement over time. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll see significant improvement in your English skills very soon.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.